Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if today is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime we load an exciting video, you will notify. Let's solve this simple question on the board. Look at one lovely question you're having on the board. Now look at what you are given. We are given that x to the power of what 3x x to the power of 15 is equals to what 5. We are asked to find the value of x. The value of x is equals to what? Okay. Now this is very simple. Now look at what we're going to do. Our first step, what we're going to do is to take the what? The logarithm of both sides. Okay, the natural logarithm of both sides. Note that natural logarithm are always in base e, while logarithm are always in base 10. Take note, very important. Natural logarithm are always in base 10. Sorry, natural logarithm are always in what? Base e, while logarithm are always in what? Base 10. Now we're going to take the what? The natural what? Logarithm of both sides. So this now become what? Ln x to the power of what 3x to the power of what 15 is equals to ln 5. That's our first step. Now our second step, what we're going to do, I'm going to obey one of the properties of what logarithm, that all this you are seeing as the exponent can go back to multiply the ln. Okay, so now this is what 3x to the power of what 15 multiplied by ln s is equals to what? Is equals to ln 5. Okay, that's our second step. Okay, now our third step, what we are going to do is to divide both sides by 3, because we want to remove this 3 from here, so we have to divide both sides by 3. So if we divide the whole of this by 3 and divide the whole of this by 3, we see that 3 will cancel out from here. We now see that s to the power of what 15 multiplied by what ln s is equals to ln 5 divided by what 3. Okay, can see how simple it is. Now what are we going to do here? You can observe that from here there's nothing we can do. Okay, that's why Lambda W function is going to help us a lot here. You know, using the properties of Lambda W function will help us in some homogeneous problem. What did I mean? Some difficult or higher what problems. Now we are left with what? S to the power of 15 multiplied by ln s equals to ln 5 divided by 3. Now I want you to understand that the Lambda W function of e raised to the power of what x multiplied by what x is equals to what x. Please take note. Okay, take note of this, is very important. And e raised to the power of ln x is equals to what? X. These are properties you have to take note. Now this property you are seeing is one of the properties of logarithm, that you have e raised to the power of ln s is equals to x, and w function of e raised to the power of s multiplied by s equals to s. This is the properties of what Lambda what w what function. But what are we going to do here? Okay, what are we going to do? Now we know that you are having ln x here. Okay, now I am not wrong. I am not wrong, because we know that e raised to the power of ln s equals to x, right? I am not wrong if I decide to write this as what? E raised to the power of what? S to the power of what? 15. Okay, sorry, I am not wrong if I write what? Ln e raised to the power of what? Ln s to the power of what? 15. I'm not wrong, because we know that from this property say e raised to the power of ln s equals to x. That means e raised to the power of ln s to the power of 15 is the same as s to the power of what? 15. Okay, so I'm not wrong. Then multiply by what? Multiply by ln what? Ln s equals to what? Ln 5 divided by what? 3. Okay, very simple. I know people will be wondering that how did I have e raised to the power ln s to the power of 15? Be observant from these properties that e raised to the power ln s is the same as x. So if I have s to the power of 15, I decide to write e raised to the power ln s to the power of 15. They're nothing wrong. They are the same thing. Okay, because the base here is e, and we just left with what? 15 s to the power of 50, which is one of the properties of indices logarithm. So what are we going to do here? What are we going to do? You can observe that since the properties of Lambda W function say that we have to have e raised to the power of s multiplied by s equals to x. Now here we are having e raised to the power of ln s to the power of 15, but here we are not having 15. Now look at what we are going to do. We can bring this power to multiply the ln as one of the properties of what logarithm. So we're going to have that this is what? E raised to the power of what? 15 ln what? Ln s multiplied by ln s equals to ln what? 5 divided by what? 3. Okay, that's good. But what are we still going to do? Because we are looking for a way so that we can have this format Okay, now we're having e raised to the power of 15 multiplied by 15 ln x multiplied by ln x equals to ln 5 divided by 3. Now what I'm going to do, I want to multiply both this ln x and this other ln 5 divided by 3. I want to multiply 15 by this and multiply 15 by this. Why am I doing so? You can see that I'm having 15 here, so I will send this 15 to multiply by this and also multiply by this. That's what I'm going to do so that it can be equal. So if I do that, look at what I'm going to have. I'm going to have that this is what e raised to the power of what 15 ln what ln s, then multiply by 15 ln what s, because I multiply here by 15. Okay, then equals to, I want to multiply this by 15. I want to have 15 ln what ln 5 divided by what 3. You can see that since I'm having 15 here, this 15 was there already, so I want to make it to be equal. So what I do, I multiply 15 by here, also multiply 15 by here, so that it can be what equal, so that I can have this format of what when we are working with what Lambert W function. Now you can see that this, this and this, they are the same, right? So we can Lambert W function can introduce here, okay, because they are the same. Okay, you can see that this 15 ln s is the same as x, and 15 ln s is the same as x. So you give the outcome will be x. Okay, so now see the outcome here was, so let's take the Lambert W function of e raised to the power of 15 ln what ln x, then multiply by 15 what ln what x is equals to, now before we take the Lambert W function of this, let's simplify this. Now 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. So well, this is what the Lambert W function of what 5 ln what ln 5. Reason being that because 15 divided by 3 will give us 5, so we are taking the Lambert W function of this. Okay, now let's obey the properties of Lambert W function. It said that the Lambert W function of e raised to the power of s multiplied by s equals to x. So the Lambert W function of e raised to the power of 15 ln s multiplied by 15 ln s will give us what 15 what ln what x equals to the Lambert W function of what of 5 ln what 5. Okay, now look at what you are going to do. Now I'm going to add that this is 15 ln s equals to the Lambert W function into, now look how interesting I'm going to do. I'm not wrong if I decide to write this 5 as what e raised to the power of what ln 5. I'm not wrong. Multiply by ln what ln 5. There's nothing wrong if I decide to write this 5 as what e raised to the power of what ln 5, because by one of the properties of logarithm, the base here is what, the base is base e. Since the base is base e, so I'll just left with 5 by one of the properties of logarithm. Okay, so I'm not wrong to write 5 as what e raised to the power of ln 5. It's the same thing. Okay, what is my achievement? My achievement is that so that when I take the Lambert W function of this, I'll just have what ln 5. That's my achievement. Can you see how simple it is? Now following the law and the properties of Lambert W function when solving problems is very simple and interesting. Okay, because some people will want to do that. Why is it that I write e raised to the power of ln 5? E raised to the power of ln 5 simply means 5 by one of the properties of what indices. Okay, now look at what I'm going to do. Now this now becomes what 15 ln s is equals to the Lambert W function of this. Since the Lambert W function of e raised to the power of s multiplied by s equals to s, and you're having ln 5 here, you're having ln 5 here, so you have ln what ln 5. And see how simple it is. Now I'm going to divide both sides by what 15. Remember that our target is to find the value of what x, so this will go out. So now see that ln s is equals to, now I'm having ln 5 divided by 15. I can write this 15 as well. Look at, I can write this as what 1 over 15 ln what ln 5. There's nothing bad if I decide to write it that format. Now I'm going to bring this power up as the exponent. So I want to see that I'm having that this is ln s equals to ln 5 to the power of what 1 over what 15. Okay, now you can see that the base here is what, the base here is e, is in base e. So I'm going to take e of both sides so I can remove this ln. So this now become what e raised to the power of what ln s, okay, equals to the e raised to the power of what ln what 5 raised to the power of what 1 over what 15. Okay, so that you can see that now observe e raised to the power of ln s will just give me x. You see, that's why I say e raised to the power of ln 5 is just 5. Okay, so I'm going to have just what, just 5. Okay, so this is the property. So I'm going to have what, just 5. Then I'm going to have what, just x. Okay, equals to, now e raised to the power of this will give me what. Now remember that this is what, this is in base what, this is in base e, right? So if I take the link of both, the e of both sides, the base here is what, the base here is e. So I'm going to have what 5 raised to the power what 1 over what 15. Okay, so this time become our s is equals to the fifth root of what, the fifth root of what 5. Okay, all raised to the power of what? 1. But s is equals to the fifth root of what? 5. And this is the solution to this particular problem. Can you see how simple it is? Very, very simple and interesting. Okay, because if I take the link of both sides, the e of both sides, that means e raised to the power of link s, it give me x. You can see from here. Then this will now become what? This e will cancel out this because there's e here, so we all left with what? 5 raised to the power of 1 over what? 15. So the fifth root of by one of the properties of indices, therefore what? A raised to the power of n divided by n is equals to n root of what? A all raised to the power of what? N by one of the properties of what? Indices. So our s is equals to what? The 15 root of what? 5. And this is the solution to this problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and so share it to loved ones so others will learn from it. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Please, if you are not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload an exciting video, you'll be notified. So thank you so much, and God bless you.